Hi, let me give a brief demo on Nano Mobile App and how to work with the mobile app. This video can be used by the admin team of Nano Junior College to upload and modify contents in its mobile app. The picture that you see is a representative image of the landing page of the mobile app. Here you have My Profile, About Us, Courseware, Take Test, Exam Trends, Students Corner, Announcements, and Contact Us. The entire mobile app is powered by concept waves. The first thing is with My Profile. When you click on My Profile, the student will be able to see his profile details, including his name, mobile number, and his email ID. Next is the About Us tab. The About Us will have the following titles: About Institute, Our Performers, Our Faculty, Social Network, Gallery, and Contact Us. Nano may modify this, add or delete one of these. So I'll show you how to do that. Basically, there are four types of text content. Text or all the contents. One is announcements, download type, lesson plan type, reference type. You can also have another one as test type. As I showed in the image here, About Us, Courseware, Take Test, Exam Trends all comes under lesson plan type. The announcements, Students Corner, Contact Us comes under announcement type. And Take Test will have a lesson plan on which the test will be attached to the lesson plans. In case there are any links, YouTube links or book link that needs to be provided to the student, Nano can do that by using the references. To do all those, go to the Academics tab and click on Resource Search. Here the resource type will be announcement, download, lesson plan, or reference. If Nano wants to modify it, you can go to Academics, Resource Search, and you can click any one of these: announcements, downloads, lesson plan, or reference, and click on the search button. This will show all the announcements that are currently made in Nano Mobile App. You can click on this to edit it, or you can click on this to view the details. I'll click on Edit. This will show JEE Main or offline whether to take. This has an attachment as online offline PDF. If you want to make some changes, you can make some changes here. Attach it. Add an image here. You can enter. You can click on this, upload image, and you can do whatever you want. You can change the font, size, color, etc., etc. And update. You can update it. This question or this announcement is mapped to the enrollment level, which means the student who has enrolled to Nano will only be able to view this attachment. Hence, this is enrollment level. If Nano wants to map this announcement to any student who downloads the mobile app, it can do that by mapping it to inquiry level. To do that, click on this button and choose Center as whole of India or any one particularly centered, and course as all the courses, and year as 2015 or 16 or whichever you want, and divisible from and to dates. Nano, once clicking on the calendar, Nano can also manually edit it by using the keyboards. So this is how an announcement can be modified. This is also the announcement IDs. So in case the admin team wants to map this ID announcement to any of the lesson plans, please note down the ID from here. Next is the lesson plans. So these are all the lesson plans which sat in exam trends, which sat JEE, JEE mains are all there in exam trends. So I'll just open up. Here, as you can see, in exam trends you have JEE main, JEE advanced and BITSAT. So these are the three things: BITSAT, JEE advanced and JEE main. So IDs are 31, 30 and 29. I'll edit this and I'll show you. So this is under the type of exam trends, and it is a name that you provide. The code can also be anything, but it should be unique from any other codes. Sort order is the order in which it has to be displayed. We have given 10, 20 and 30 as sort order. So JEE main has 10, JEE advanced has 20 and BITSAT has 30. You can also have 1, 2, 3 as sort order. So what sort order means is that the lesson plans will be arranged in the order of sort order. You can also change the image that is displayed here by clicking on this choose file button and uploading a new file. So this is mapped to both enrollment and inquiry level. So any student who downloads this mobile app will also be able to view this lesson plan. So what you can do is, when you click on this JEE main, JEE advanced or BITSAT, you can have multiple sessions, multiple steps inside. So when I mean steps, these are all the steps. So you can add more steps by clicking on this plus button and creating a step name and step code and sort order. In case you have additional one more in subset step, you can create a step group and a step name. For each step that is created over here, for example KC and about Nano, you can have multiple number of announcements attached to it. So you can click on resource ID and you can enter the resource ID. So once you enter the resource ID and the sort order, it will be attached to this step name. So once you click on the step name, it will show you all the announcements. So currently there is only one announcement that is mapped to the step. So this will be directly open. In case you have multiple attachments, it will show as different steps available. Similarly is the case with the test. So here are mock tests which set. So I'll have one of those. So this has chapter-wise test, part syllabus test and full test. In case you create a test, to create a test, I'll attach a YouTube video link which Nano can view it, create and a test using document upload or if I have report. Once the test is created, use the test ID. Remember the test ID which will be there in the URL provided above. You can mark the same and you can go on plus and you can change this to test ID and you can enter the test ID here and the order here. So full test can have multiple number of full tests. If there are 10 full tests, click on this plus button and enter each test. So all the tests will be available in this full test. So when a student opens up test, he can open a BITSAT, and under BITSAT there will be a step called full test. Under full test there will be multiple tests that you have attached. If Nano would like to provide a download, a PDF or a downloadable content, it can do by using this resource download. As I said earlier, for references or links or YouTube links or any other links to websites or books, you can use the reference type. To create all these things, go to new resource entry. Click on announcement type and you can enter the subject and the message here. And once you click on create button, you'll be able to create an announcement. So once an announcement is created, go to the URL. I'll show you one of those. You can also attach a file to the announcement. So here you see the ID. Please remember this ID. You can, in case you forget the ID, you can also do that. You can also find it out by going to resource search and going to the announcement type and finding out everything, and you'll be able to find out that the test ID is 36. This is the test ID. So you can go to the lesson plan, you can go to about us, about our faculty, and you can create one more step and you can attach the test ID as 36 or whatever the announcement that you create, and the student will be able to open that app. Next, I'll show you how to create download type. Go to this download type and tell us whether you want it as a book. So you can give the name, description, and upload this, and it will be uploaded. Next, if you want to create a lesson plan, just like you have BitSat, everything, all those things, go to the learning module, and you'll be able to create. Whether you want it under About Us, or courseware, or exam trends, or mock test, anything else, you can choose one of those, and you can give a name, code, an order, and a photograph. So a learning module, which means a step, is created. Under the learning module, what you do is attach an announcement to this particular learning module. So this is how we create an announcement and map it to the learning module. If Nano wishes to see all the list of students who have downloaded and registered, go to the Students tab and click on Student Search. You can modify the filter based on the year, course, name, or anything else, and you can search. This is the search button. This will give the list of students. If Nano would like to download this sheet with the mobile number and email address, you can do that by downloading an Excel file by clicking on this XLS button. If Nano wishes to send notification, the notifications will be a push notification and it will be available in this bell button. So you can push it by clicking on the Save Notifications, and it will show you all the students who have selected. So I have selected 3 people, and you can enter the notification here, and you can click on the Send button, and it will show you a preview of this message that you're gonna send. Once you click on Send button, the message will be sent as a push notification to the students who have downloaded the app. The Reports tab will give you the test reports in case Nano would like to take a report of all the tests. So here is where you have the question paper, click paper ingester, question ingester, new question, and question search, test creation, test search. So in another video, I'll help you on how to upload questions into the database. In case Nano has any questions regarding addition or modification or deletion of data, you can contact our support number 92461 63210.